How to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to accept family invite in your Steam account. So to troubleshoot this kind of issue, you want to have to recreate the whole thing once again. But before you go ahead and pull up Steam, make sure that you will log in into your friend's account on the same computer. Once you've successfully logged in, just go into Steam settings and then under family, go back and click on create or join a Steam family. Once you've done that, you'll see two options such as join a family or create a family. Just choose on create a family and then choose on invite a member. Once you've done this, you will automatically be redirected into the search box to create a family. From there, that's going to be the field where you can add up the friends that you would like to be added into that current family security. And then once you successfully added them, you're gonna have to log in on the same computer but with your account at this time. You'll have to accept on the same computer, and then once you have accepted it, you can now then re-log in into a different device. And that is how you fix fail to accept family invite on Steam.